Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up your camera for strobes or speed lights. So here we go. This is the Fuji XT-1. I'm used to shooting to auto ISO, auto shutter, and just selecting my aperture. So it's not going to work for speed lights. What you have to do, I've programmed this button to preview exposure in manual mode. I've programmed this front button just by holding it down to preview picture effect. So that's what I'm going to use. This button up here and this button in the front. Make sure you program the buttons that you want to those two features. Once you take it off of automatic ISO and automatic shutter, it says here that it'll sync up at 180. I still see the shutter sometimes in the picture at 180, but 125 works perfectly. So once you set this, your screen no longer shows you the correct lighting that you're going to be seeing in studio lights. So you want to turn this effect off. That's where this button comes in handy. Turn this off so you can see the front button. Turn this off, you don't need to see effect. Also, you want to set your white balance. So I have this button programmed for white balance. Usually auto worked for me, but since my light is set to about 2600 Kelvin or something like that, 2700. So it will always be balanced to that. You could also do program your auto white balance to a gray card, which sometimes I do as well. And then you're ready to shoot. You could choose your aperture. You should be able to see everything without the screen going too dark. And you're ready to put on your trigger here. I use the Alien B Policy Buff system, and you should be ready to shoot. Of course, the picture is going to be dark because I don't have my light hooked up, but once you have your light, you'll see that it's normal. So you still have to dial in your settings to your light using a light meter, preferably. But this is how you do it with the Fuji. It's a little complicated at first, but you'll get it in time. It's just a learning curve that I had to do when I came from Nikon. So when you're done with it, make sure you turn off your settings, or else you might be confused later. So I have this button here, preview exposure on, the front button, turn this on, and now you could put it back how it was. So that's it. Now everything looks normal. Alright, thanks guys.